Hi everybody, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Yes, Ronald, your host to Ron's World. Alrighty, how everybody doing this wonderful early morning on the East Coast? How y'all doing, everybody? Now, I got this wonderful, great, full build price list. Comes with the monitor, the gaming keyboard, the gaming mouse, your microphone, your webcam, basically everything you need. Just go ahead and get started. Now, only thing you have to do is do two things. One, download your BIOS for the CPU or any other future CPU you want to use. You can go ahead on and use that there using download your BIOS, insert it onto the flash drive, plug it into the USB port on the back that say Q flash, and hit the Q flash button. Now, this motherboard I'm using is the Gigabyte motherboard, so you will have no issues with doing that there. If you don't know how to do that there, I will be putting a link in the description below, so you go ahead on there and learn how to do it yourself and enjoy building your PC. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and be doing no videos of it because it's tons of great videos out there for you to learn how to go ahead and update your BIOS of your motherboard by going to the manufacturer website, downloading the BIOS file to the USB, transferring the USB files into your motherboard, do everything with the Q flash, hit it, wait 3-5 minutes, and you're all good to go. Now, I love doing these here price lists here because one, I find good prices that everybody can stick to on a budget. Finding good sales, good deals. Yes, I'm budget friendly. I want y'all to be budget friendly as well too. So you can't go wrong with that. There's a little money saved up for the future, such as your retirement, buying a house, or anything. I want y'all to save money in buying your PC parts. Alrighty, enough of me talking. Let's get into this price list. The list is coming from Amazon. Now, if you want to go ahead and purchase the parts, they'll be in the description below. You know, all the affiliate links will be in that description below, so you can go ahead and click on them, purchase, build your system, and be happy. I know a lot of y'all sit down and say, well, you do a lot of good price lists, but you don't build the system. Yes, tech viewers, I know the routine. Buy the parts, build the system, benchmark the system, etc. Here's my philosophy. I know what I'm doing, so it's not really an issue. Just like when I was on Socket 370, everything I did was spot on. So there's no issue, and etc. etc. But with all the little hiccups, with all the parts and stuff that y'all buy, yes, you have to go ahead and benchmark your system. So to all the new builders, please make sure when you're done, you do your thermal testing, etc. That's what basically I do. When I'm done building, I go ahead on and I test my thermals in the BIOS startup, make sure everything is at 40 degrees Celsius. My motherboard's at 32 to 36 degrees Celsius. Then when I get through putting all my drivers up there, such as my operating system and board drivers, etc., run the Cinebench, then I go ahead and do my bench test and make sure my thermals are right with my CPU cooler. I got enough CPU cooler paste on it, and etc. To the new builders, if you don't know how to apply the amount CPU, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and put that into the description below. The link in the description below, so y'all can go ahead and watch the video and learn from great techniques. Alright, let's go ahead and get into this price list here, and you cannot go wrong. Just like I said, all the parts are coming from Amazon. This is a full PC build list. This is your gamer streaming build. If you want to go ahead and upgrade it on later on down the line, I believe that option to you. Just like I said, you are starting off with a great CPU, 8 cores, 16 threads. You cannot go wrong with that there. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, this is on 1080p perspective, that's what I'm in. That's what I use. Just like I said, if you want to change out the parts, if you want to go to a 1440p monitor, that's on up to you. But just like I said, I'm budget friendly, and I want y'all to be budget friendly as well too. Alrighty, the monitor of choice is the SPECTRA curved 27-inch 75Hz LED monitor, which comes in at $190.74. The microphone of choice, which is a great microphone. I looked it up on YouTube. I wish I would have waited, but I love my Cyber Acoustic. I've been using them for a while, so for a long time. And I'm talking about in the early 2000s when I've been using this company, this brand right here. So Cyber Acoustic is a great brand, great company, and they back their products up and they back their customers up as well too. The microphone of choice is Tonor USB microphone kit streaming podcast kit, coming in at $54.99. The webcam is the Cyber Acoustic extensor webcam at 1080p, coming in at $34.99. Now I'm old school. The headphones of choice is the GSKILL RX 700 Precision, coming in at $42.99. Now if you want to go ahead and go to a gaming set, I'm gonna leave that up to the creators who's building their system. But these headphones, you can't go wrong with it. You got your little your extended beam mic, so you're all good, set, ready to go. Just like I said, the GSKILL RX 700 Precision is coming in at $42.99. The mouse of choice is the Logitech G305 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse, coming in at $40.28. The keyboard is the Logitech G512 Carbon LightSync RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. Now personally with me, I like soft touch keys. I could care less about the mechanical, but to all y'all gamer maniacs out there, y'all all that click, 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 click. So this Logitech G512 is the motherboard for you. It's coming in at $99 even. The power supply is the RS Gain 750 watt power supply semi-module 80 plus bronze PSU, coming in at $49.99. Now keep in mind, I did a video installing the RS Gain 550 watt power supply in my gaming rig. I did a video installing the RS Gain 500 watt power supply. They both bronze in my grandson's build, and I have no issues with the RS Gain. Now this company back up their product. If you have an issue with it, they'll go ahead on and issue a new brand, a new power supply, or they'll go ahead on and refund your money back. Anyway, this company back up their product as well as customer service friendly. You can't go wrong with that. Alrighty, the GPU is the PowerColor Redragon AMD Radeon RX 6800 gaming graphic card, 16 gigabyte. Yes sir. It is coming in at $1,259. Yes, there's a video that Paul Hardware did where it shows that the gaming costs are now coming down, which we are excited, we are happy. It's still a little bit overpriced because the MSRP tag that came out, I think it was a little bit like $899 or $699, but keep in mind we are in RSP, is retail suggested price, where they discuss with the manufacturer and the retail stores the right price to set these cards at to be sold, which is a good gaming card. You cannot go wrong with it, and it's fun and you can enjoy it. Now the storage I'm putting it on is the Western Digital 1 terabyte WD Blue SN 550 NVMe internal SSD. This is your M.2 1 terabyte sweet spot to start off with. You cannot go wrong with it. If you want to add more in your case, that's up to you. All depends on how much you're pushing. Now, this is a creator's streaming rig. It could be also used for photography, etc. That's why I'm putting it off at 1 terabyte, so you cannot go wrong with it. That price is $94.99. Now, the memory of choice I wanted to use is 3600 megahertz to 4000, but eventually everybody buying those up because they're building PCs like maniacs now. So right now, the choice is at 32 megahertz. This is a quad kit. You will be on 64 gigabyte. I said it, 64 gigabyte of RAM at 3200 megahertz. It's a quad kit. You cannot go wrong with it. The price of this quad kit is $259.99. Now, just like I said, I wanted to go ahead and put it on 3600 megahertz, but eventually, Amazon can't keep those in stock because everybody buying them up. The 3600 to 4000 and higher. They're pushing them and flying off the shelves quick. So 3200 is well, 3200, yes, is the sweet spot for now. And if you want to go ahead and see the type memory you want to go ahead and increase it to, 3600 or 4000, I'm gonna leave that up to you. Then once you buy it, you can be happy with it. Now, the motherboard of choice is the Gigabyte X570 Gaming X. Yes, it supports AMD Ryzen 3000 series. Starting off, it also supports the Ryzen 5000 CPUs. Once you update your BIOS, you cannot go wrong with that. The price of this motherboard is $129.99. Now, moving right along. I love this company. Their air cooling is spot on, remarkable. I have no issues with their cooling, and I'm happy with it. A lot of people are happy with it, and it's a reasonable price. This is the ID Cooling Zoom Flow 240X ARGB CPU water cooler, 5-volt addressable RGB AIO cooler, 240 millimeters, coming in at $79.99. The CPU of choice, just like I mentioned, the Ryzen 7 3800X is coming in with 8 cores, 16 threads, unlocked, desktop processor. It comes with the cooler. That's an option choice, but you already got this a nice deep choke right here, the ID Cooling Zoom Flow. So you can't go wrong with that deal. You could probably sell off the cooler, or you just go ahead and give it to a friend who needs additional cooling. And you could do it, hey friend, I got this extra cooler, you can have it. You know, generous heart, make everybody happy. The Ryzen 7 3800X is coming in at $335 flat. And last but not least is the case. I love this company. I've been using this company for a long time. You cannot go wrong with it. This is ROSEWILL ATX mid-tower gaming PC. This is the SPECTRA D100 ARGB PC case. Yes, it comes with 4 fans. You got 3 120s up front, and you got a 120 in the back. Up top, it holds 2 120mm fans, 2 140mm fans. AIOs, it goes front is 360mm, top 240mm, 280mm. Now, if you want to go ahead on and put a 120mm in the back, it also supports a 120mm radiator as well into the back. I know because I have the C100 SPECTRA C100 case, and I did unboxing on that as well too. You cannot go wrong with that. The case coming in at $89.99. Now, the good thing about this here, it is under $3,000. Yes. The build price of this here list is $2,761.93. It's under $3,000. And you cannot go wrong with that. Now, to the extreme PC builders that like to use custom water cooling, that's where your money starts choking up at. Automatic. From the case, from the water blocks, etc. That's where the price extends to $4,000 to $5,000. But for budget-friendly builders like me, as well as other viewers out there as well too, that want to build their PC, they say, you know what, Ron put up a nice, great price list. Let me go ahead on there, click on his affiliate links, and build this system for myself. Now keep in mind that all these parts are on sale. I don't want y'all to act fast and jump on them. Now, just like I said, all the affiliated links will be in the description below. If you want to go ahead on and purchase this set for yourself, click on those links. Just like I said, all the parts are on sale. You cannot just go wrong with it. So, you know, if you click on the link, purchase your parts, build your system for the first time, you know, show the world what you can do. This is for the newcomers. And build with confidence. When you build your system right, you're going to feel good, you're going to feel right, and you're going to say, damn it, I did this. And you go ahead on the game on, stream hard, and enjoy being the content creator. Alrighty, I wanted to thank y'all for watching. I love the viewers who took the time to watch my videos. I love my subscribers. Without y'all, there won't be no me. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I love y'all. Y'all take care. Peace.